Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage backup and reset settings in your device IQOO Z9x. In this video, I'm gonna share few tips that you can use to do it. If you found these tips helpful, press the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Make sure to watch complete video and learn I can do it. Let's watch the video.